I don't see Eric, but my fans over there normally call me the comedian, Big Fool, or Papa Dashmi. That is my comedy name. Please, I would like to tell you, if you have a talent, there is nothing that can move you on earth as a human being without your talent. If you are on talent and God have given you a talent to be into movie industry, you use your talent very well. I'm not talking about the talent to go and become a prostitute into movie or rest of them. No. Create something that will make people to look for you. Create something that will make people to ask you, who is this person? I want to know this person. Now, yeah, if not only comedy, if your talent is to do one or two things, one or job or the other, please don't look on down on that job. Focus, pray to God. God, give me the zeal, give me the power to do this, and Almighty God will give you the power. So what I'm just trying to tell you, if your talent also onto movie industry, please be creativity. Be creativity. Don't follow, oh, Mr. Paul do this, let me go with Mr. Paul. No. Don't follow Mr. Peter do this, let me go with Mr. Peter. No. Don't say, hey, because of Commando acted this way, let me act like Commando. No, it's not possible. There is a proverb that goes this way in my mother's tongue. He said that, go, Baba gave me the same hair you gave the other person. If the same hair are not the same. If you want to be a comedian, I am into movie. I can act every movie. But I love comedy because comedy is something that will make people to be happy. Now, when you go out over there, you see people are suffering for high BP, high blood pressure, and rest of them. I crave to be a comedian to make people happy. A comedian to make people happy. Comedy is something that make people to be smiling. If someone have a high BP, high tension, low tension, water tension, middle tension, and the rest of them, as I'm talking to you, water go. Somebody may have high BP. From you can bring it to quarter BP. Or somebody can have a quarter BP, can bring it to middle BP. And that is what I'm talking. That is what I'm speaking. So you have to be, I'm so sorry for that grammar. I'm sorry, that is my comedy. I'm sorry. So what I'm just trying to tell you is that you have to be a creativity. Create something. Create something. As I am now, I don't smoke Indian hemp, but I can speak like Indian hemp. I can speak like those that take Indian hemp. If you want me to change my voice, I can change my voice. If you want me to talk like a lady, I will talk like a lady. That is my creativity. If you want me to walk like an imbecile, I can walk. If you want me to do like a madman, I will behave it perfectly. If you want me to dress like a fake pastor, anything at all that make people to be happy, I will do it because that is my talent. I have to do it. Create something. Create something. You love comedy, yeah. Your talent is to act movie. Number one thing I have to tell you, if you want to be into movie industry, please go out there, buy a big mirror, the biggest one that stands on the wall. When you stand it on the wall, begin to act with that mirror. Anything you creating, begin to act it. The mirror is your teacher to teach you if you are doing well or not. That mirror will teach you, hey, if you are watching it, you say, I'm doing bad this way. Okay, let me try this way. If you are doing perfectly, the mirror will tell you. You will see yourself on that mirror. And secondly, don't think maybe I'm too shy. My friend, if you go out there with your friends, Create something over there. Create something. Add it. Let them call whatever. Let them call let them call you anything they want to. But you in your own inner being, in your life, there's things you are looking on. He wants to be a comedian, he wants to be an actor, he wants to be a something. Create that thing off. As you're creating it, the spirit will be coming to you. As you create that thing, as you are trying to do that, that spirit will be coming to you to possess you. You are not a doctor, but I'm telling you, through comedy, you can be a doctor. Not only a doctor, when you go, he prescribe a drugs for you, take this drug, take this one. No. As a comedian, you also prescribe drugs for people. You make people to be happy. You make people to smile. You make people to say, hey, I love this boy. I love this acting. On that time, if the BP is going high, you have bring the BP quite low. So my friend plays over there. Tune on this channel. I would like to tell you more. The next movie, I will show you how to move if you want to be an imbecile. I will tell you how to demonstrate to be an imbecile. Then if you want to be a drunkard, you see my actions, how we can be a drunkard. If you want to become have a voice, I will tell you, no matter, it will crack your voice, but you don't have, that thing you're looking on, don't mind your voice. It will crack your voice if you want to become an Indian hemp smoker. That's the voice of Indian hemp smoker. To change your voice to be an Indian hemp is not an easy thing, but I will tell you in the next movie how to do it. I will tell you how to make things, to create something through yourself. Please, I love you all, my friends. And I want the way I'm going, I want people to go with me. I don't want to go alone. I want people to star. I want people to shine. I want people to shine. People to say, yes, thank God I have found my destiny. Do not allow anyone to discourage you in your destiny. But please, I'm begging again. If you want to be into movie industry, please avoid sex. Avoid anything communication, because some people come over there to mess themselves up. The director will use you, the actors will use you and dump you. Focus on God. If you want to do anything, pray and focus yourself on God. Leave anything. When you come on stage, on location, if you want to act, you are given role to play. Just play your role perfectly. Keep yourself to holy to God. That is number one. Because whenever you are thinking that, hey, I'm a star, I'm an actress, I'm an actor, I can do this, I can do that, my dear, they will eat you raw. And when they eat you, they will dump you. So create something. Be a creative. When you may come into movie industry, push aside anything of share and shame. Create something that make people to be happy. And when you create it, people will look for you. People will look for you. I'm not doing my comedy just to make money, no. But I'm doing my comedy to make people to be happy. I can act like a Sandra. As you look this face you dey see now, just like Sandra 9B. You understand now? This face just be like Sandra. But if I just come with this face to your house, say, come on, no, come on. Oh man, you go respect me now. Come on, I need that money. You understand? To Cameroon and so they for over there, no. You understand now? You know where we they take Mimbo now. If they take that Mimbo now, that kind of thing you go do. But I tell you, this face now, you still say I be criminal, my dear. I am nothing. I'm looking upon my Father, which is God. But I create something what I have. If I cry with this face now, if I cry with this face now, if I cry with this face now, that is comedy. That is comedy for you.
And yeah, as they see me so now, if I don't tell you my mind now, you don't want to believe me, you understand no?
That is comedy. Create something. Create something. If I want to be like, to behave like, I can play like a lady, but I cannot be. I know a gay. That is creativity. Make things that will make it to be shine. Thank you. I love you all. Tune on this channel again. I'll teach you how to walk like imbecile, how to be a drunkard, how to play any part of role he wants to play. I will teach you. And next time coming on, I will teach you how you can be an actor, how you can save your jobs on website, okay? On Google, rest of them, blah blah blah. You can put your name online and rest of that. I will teach you over there. I love you all. Tune on down below of this movie and subscribe with me as I raise up some movies or some advice on how you can put your movie online. I will let you know as you tune on this website. Just subscribe with me, please. That is what I need from you. I will be giving you more best stories to keep you ahead. Thanks very much. I love you all, my friends. I am comedian, the big fool.